In this video we will cover the 7 of the best money-making apps of 2022. Watch the video and earn from these apps today. Free apps like Ibotta and Upwork can put more money in your pocket. For those looking to make money in an easily accessible way, apps provide plenty of avenues to consider. You can use your smartphone to take surveys, pick up a side gig, sell your unwanted stuff and more. Here's the scoop on 7 free money-making apps. NerdWallet considered apps with at least 4 stars and 25,000 reviews in both Google Play and the iOS App Store. The best money-making apps. 1. Ibotta. How it works. Ibotta lets you earn cash back on in-store and online purchases at over 2,000 supported retailers. Originally for groceries, it has expanded to include clothing, entertainment and eating out, pet supplies and other categories. Offers can be product or retailer specific, and some will automatically be applied. For others, you'll need to complete an additional task such as watching a video or taking a poll. Payment. PayPal, digital gift card or direct to a bank account. 2. Racketin. How it works. Racketin, formerly known as ebates, rewards shoppers with up to 40% cashback on purchases from well-known retailers, restaurants and food delivery services. Users can also earn cashback on travel, gift cards and more. It's straightforward. Create an account. Tap on the store where you want to shop in the app. Then make the transaction through the portal. You can also link a credit or debit card to your Rakatan account to earn cashback in store, as long as you activate the deal through the app first. Rakatan credits the cashback to your account after it confirms the purchase with the retailer, which it says can take a few hours to several days. Payment. PayPal or check. 3. Swagbucks. How it works. Swagbucks is a cashback and rewards app. You earn points, called SB, by shopping, taking polls, watching videos, playing games or fulfilling other tasks through Swagbucks. You can redeem those points for gift cards or get cash back to your PayPal account. The total points awarded can vary by task. For example, surveys are typically worth about 40 to 200 SB points each. The minimum balance required to redeem depends on the payout option you choose, but some gift cards are available for as low as 110 SB. Payment. Gift card or PayPal. 5. Upwork. How it works. Upwork connects freelancers to gigs in writing, design, marketing and other categories on the marketplace. First, you'll create a profile. It should include information such as the field you're interested in plus your qualifications, availability and desired rate. Then, you can submit proposals. Clients will review them and offer projects if you seem like a good fit.